Hey guys, how are you? This is Hina and I'm back with another video. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to learn 6 female anime hairstyles. So I hope this goes well and let's go! So for the first hairstyle, I'd like it to be kind of a shy girl that she doesn't like her face to be shown to everybody. So she's just showing a little bit of her face, but also she got a very beautiful straight black hair, and she's also a cool girl. And if you just get friendly with her, you can understand what a cool, amazing character this girl has. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle I'd like to do, and this one is my favorite actually. And guys, pay attention to my hand movements when you're trying to draw a hair. Just pay attention how I do it, the movements and how I just show the hair parts, every part of the hair. It's very important how you draw it. It shows it like it's professional or no, it's just, very beginner. So if you do such a thing that I'm doing right now, it would be, your drawing would be more professional. So for the top of the hair, we would go from top to bottom. And for the bottom of the hair, we would go bottom to the top. Yeah, just like that. For the second hairstyle, I'd like to do something like a sweet girl, very sweet, very kind to everybody, with a sweet hairstyle, very looking like a little mommy. And everybody loves her. She loves everybody. She's very positive most of the time. And actually, her hair could be blonde somehow. Yeah, and like that. Yeah, this kind of character. For the hairstyle number 3, the kind of character that came to my mind was like the kind of sweet, clean girl that she doesn't really care about her hairstyle, and she mostly, like to focus on other things, and she cares about her, way of dressing and stuff like that, but she doesn't really care about her hair, and she has a very simple hairstyle. Yeah, with a black hair. This hairstyle is the hairstyle that mostly the very cute, very sweet, very, young looking girl does this hairstyle. And this kind of girl has a very, very, young face, very acting young, like a baby most of the time. And she's sweet. She got a beautiful ponies into the sides of her hair. And yeah, look at that. How beautiful. Look at the movement of my hands. How I just do it. It's very simple, very easy. You just have to focus a little bit. Yeah, just like that. You just go from the top to the bottom, up to down, up and down, up, down. Yeah, just like that. Very easy. This hairstyle is very easy, very simple. When you look at this character, there is nothing special about the hair that attracts you. And mostly this kind of hairstyle is for the moms into the movies. Mommies mostly have this kind of hairstyles. And because they have a lot of things to do and they don't have time to care about their hair, Yeah, just like that. Very easy, simple mommy. Got a lot of things to do, got a lot of things to do in the kitchen. Yeah. And for the last hairstyle, it's for the kind of character that she really cares about her hairstyle. And she always wants to be the most beautiful girl of any place, at a school, in a party, in anywhere. Anywhere she wants to be beautiful, perfect, and she always spends a lot of time on her hairstyle. And she trying to be with no problem on her face and on her hair. She's tying her hair up, and look at this messy movements. You have to be messy, you have to be, there is no algorithm into it. There is no rhythm, not a special rhythm, and you have to go just like that, very messy. And yeah, these are 6 female anime hairstyles for 6 different personalities, behaviors. I hope you guys like it and use it in your drawings, and catch you later. Bye bye.